Imagine this. Your team is in the middle of a busy workday when, out of nowhere, a key piece of equipment fails. Work grinds to a halt, deadlines are at risk, and costs start piling up. This is the reality of unplanned shutdowns, and they're not only frustrating but also incredibly expensive. But what if there was a way to stop these shutdowns before they happen? Today, we're diving into how to prevent unplanned shutdowns and keep operations running smoothly. Unplanned shutdowns occur when equipment suddenly breaks down, forcing operations to stop without warning. These disruptions don't just impact productivity, they can result in costly repairs, lost revenue, and even safety risks for employees. The good news? Unplanned shutdowns are avoidable with the right strategies in place. Preventive maintenance is one of the most effective ways to avoid these unexpected issues. Instead of waiting for equipment to fail, preventive maintenance involves regular inspections, servicing, and repairs to keep everything running efficiently. By identifying potential problems early, you can address them before they escalate into costly shutdowns. This is where Computerized Maintenance Management Software, or CMMS, comes in. A CMMS system streamlines your maintenance processes, making it easier to schedule, track, and manage all your maintenance tasks. With features like automated reminders and detailed reporting, you can stay on top of preventive maintenance effortlessly. This not only minimizes downtime, but also extends the lifespan of your equipment. Let's break down the benefits. Cost savings. Preventive maintenance reduces expensive emergency repairs. Improved productivity. With fewer interruptions, your team can focus on what they do best. Enhanced equipment life. Proper care means your machines last longer. Data-driven decisions. CMMS provides insights into maintenance trends, helping you optimize your operations. Companies that use CMMS often see a significant reduction in downtime. For example, imagine being able to predict when a machine might fail based on data trends. Instead of scrambling to fix it after it breaks, you schedule maintenance ahead of time. That's the power of being proactive. Unplanned shutdowns cost money, time, and resources, things no business can afford to waste. By implementing a strong preventive maintenance program supported by a robust CMMS, you can avoid unnecessary stress and stay ahead of potential issues. If you're ready to take control of your maintenance processes, it's time to explore solutions like Micromain's CMMS. Their system is designed to make maintenance management simple and efficient, helping businesses like yours thrive. Don't wait for the next unplanned shutdown. Start protecting your operations today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintenance management and keeping your operations running smoothly. Let us know in the comments how unplanned shutdowns have impacted your work and what steps you're taking to prevent them.